Hey beauties, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nala Andrea, if you didn't know. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to clean my brushes. This is a brush cleaning video, how-to video. And I'm going to be showing you guys what I like to use and what I like to do to get my brushes all nice and clean after like weeks of, craziness. So I like to use the Sigma cleaning mat, and this mat has been amazing for me for the past year. And I just like to go in with some Dial antibacterial soap, and I like to go right in and use the mat. So let me tell you guys a little something about the mat while you watch me clean my brushes. So this is a silicone mat. It has 7 exclusive textures, as you can see. Like where I'm cleaning at right now, it has small little circle ridges that's going to get right in and under that brush and get all the dirt and scum out of there, which I thank the Lord. Mat has suctions. I'm sorry, you guys. This mat has suctions at the bottom, so you can put it into your sink, and it has like a dip, as you can see at the top, where you can drain the water out. And this thing is completely amazing, y'all. This makes my process go much more faster than anything. And I do like to dry my brushes in a paper towel and just roll it up. I'll show you guys how like it'll look soon. And also, this mat does retail for $32. I know that might seem like a lot, and I'm pretty sure they do have like dupes of these at like your TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I know my aunt actually got me one. She didn't know I had this mat, but she got me like a small mat that looked pretty much similar to this, and I'm pretty sure she got it from one of those stores. Yeah, so just so you know, if you don't want to spend all your bread and coins, honey, on this mat, but even though it is a really good mat, and this video isn't sponsored, by the way. I did buy this with my own money and all that stuff. I am a small influencer girl. They didn't call me, but if you want them to, tell them Sigma to call me. Anyway, back to the video. I'm just cleaning one of my concealer brushes, and you can see like how it's still a little bit makeup left in it, and I like to go back, and I'm in the eye section, and it has smaller ridges and a different texture from the face brush side, but it really gets in there, and I just love it. Okay, next brush. So we have a little dirtier brush right now, and I'm back in the eye section, and it just gets it really nice. I just like to in circular motions, make sure I'm getting all of the brush, and I'm actually cleaning it and not letting like the mat do all the work. I'm really trying to get in there. And then I just like to rinse and refine the brush to back to its normal shape. And then I repeat with all the rest of my brushes, really. I swear, washing brushes seems like the longest process, but with this mat, I swear it went by so much quicker than how I used to wash my brushes with like just my hand and soap. And I just would swirl the brush in my hand. That's really much like the old school version of washing brushes, like just taking your hand, swirling the brush in your hand with a little bit of soap and calling it a day, even though that took all day. And I have so many more brushes now, I can't even imagine trying to do all of that now. Like, that's pretty much ridiculous. But anyway, you see how nice and clean these brushes are coming out? Yes, girl. Okay, we're back on the face side, and I'm just using the highlighter brush, and I'm going to clean that up. I don't really use this highlighter brush that much, but you never know. So I'm going to clean it too. We got to get all the brushes. We don't want any dirty brushes left. And as you can see here, this is how it looks when I wrap them all up and in a paper towel. So now, yeah, I'm just back cleaning another eye brush. This looks like one of my Real Techniques brushes. I love this fluffy brush. Doesn't it look so nice? Now it's all clean and stuff, ready for me to use and whatnot. But anywho, yeah, we're just rinsing and refining. And I want you guys to let me know about any brush cleaning like products that you guys like to use. I would love to know like what you guys are out there using. I know there are like more things to use besides Dow soap, and this is just like something I can go to and I know that it'll work for me. But I know there are actually some good brush cleaning products out there, so I want you guys to let me know if you see any out, and I'll be sure to let you guys know if I see anything. Most definitely. So here I'm just working on one of my beauty blenders, well, Real Technique sponge, and I'm just using that Dow soap. And I actually like to do this with my hands. I just rub in the Dow soap and get it real nice and in there and just squeeze it out. I'm pretty sure that sounds inappropriate, but that's basically what happens. I'm sorry, I can't sugarcoat it for you guys. But anyway, yeah, I just like to go back in and rub the soap in, and sometimes I have to put more soap in just to get it all out, and then it comes out beautifully. And I don't really care for it to be super clean, just as long as it's clean enough for me to use again. And then I just wrap that up in a paper towel and call it a day, my loves. So now we're working on multiple brushes at once. This is turbo speed brush washing. You guys don't know nothing about this, but I'd like to do this because I get lazy, and who's gonna do a single brush by single brush by single brush when you can just do it all at once. And yeah, then I ended up finding like I need to throw one of these brushes away, and I had to do that. And then I did do some of my paint brushes that I use for more detailed looks, and it works just the same, and it got right, like it got clean correctly, girl. Okay, so you can also use this for paint brushes for my artsy girls, my artsy girls. Yes. So yeah, now we're working on our last bunch, and I just love this mat. It really made this process like so much quicker. Even though I still hate taking my time out to wash my brushes, this mat does make it a lot quicker, and I don't complain that much. And it's pretty. Like I love this pink, and Sigma really did that, and I love it. So yes, girl, we're just cleaning and washing these brushes away. And then I kind of did go in individually just to make sure that all of them were clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you guys would like this mat, I'm surely going to link it down below, or I'm going to find you guys, like, you know, make sure you go into your local stores and see if you can find one that's a little bit cheaper if you don't want to spend all your coin. I know, I'm a cheap one too. Don't worry. It's just sometimes I like to spend money on things that, you know, I know will benefit me, like this for sure. But anywho, lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys learned a little something today, and let me know what you think about this brush cleaning mat and what you guys would like to see next in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.